Okay, when we're talking about index of refraction, the index of refraction refers to how much the light is going to bend when it passes from one medium to another, like air to water or glass to air. Here we see an example of oil inside of this beaker. Now the reason why I use this oil, this is actually Wesson cooking oil, and that's important because Wesson cooking oil actually has almost the same index of refraction as Pyrex glass, the same glass that this beaker is made out of. Now because they have the same index of refraction, if you were to put a beaker inside of this liquid here, you probably couldn't see it. For example, this beaker here. And the reason is, it makes a lot of sense. If you think about, I have some Wesson oil in here. If I put more Wesson oil in, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the two oils because they're the same. I mean, they have the same index of refraction. Now, this beaker here isn't the same as the oil, but it's acting like it's the same. And so here you can see from the side that as I put it in there, especially with that label on there, you can still see it. I mean, it's still there. It's not going anywhere. It just becomes a lot more difficult to see. So here I can show you close up. You can see there the beaker, especially when I turn it around. But without these labels, without these measurements on the side, it would be really difficult to see. It's a little bit easier if you look from the top down. So if I move the camera here, you can see there a little bit, you can see the edge of the beaker because you get twice the refraction happening there. So it's